Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So in our previous class we have started the 7th chapter weather and climate. Okay, and what we have studied in that? We have studied about the elements of weather like temperature, humidity, and we have studied that the weather is a very complex phenomenon. It's not a simple means which we can't predict easily. Okay, so that we have studied in our previous class. So what we will do today we are going to continue our next topic, that is the climate. Okay, so what is meant by climate? Climate means the average weather pattern taken over a long time, means say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. It means suppose if we are observing the weather of any place for the few years back, just like for 25 years, so that weather pattern is nothing but the climate of that place. अगर हमें किसी भी place का climate को देखना है तो हम उस प्लेस का क्या करते हैं, पूरे लास्ट फ्यू बैक्स जो भी जितने ईयर्स होते हैं 20-25 ईयर्स, उसका जो भी वेदर पैटर्न है उससे हम प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं व्हाट इज़ द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट प्लेस. जस्ट लाइक सपोज इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड द प्लेस ऑफ if you want to find the climate of any place, so what we will do, we will identify the what is the weather pattern of that place. Just like suppose if the weather of any place is very hot almost all the time. ठीक है, किसी प्लेस का वेदर हमेशा क्या रहता है, गर्म, हॉट रहता है. सो वी कैन से दैट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट प्लेस इज हॉट. उस प्लेस का क्लाइमेट क्या होता है, हॉट रहता है. ओके, सपोज इफ देर इज़ अ वेरी हैवी रेनफॉल ऑन मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज, अगर किसी उसी सेम प्लेस का सपोज मीन्स लाइक सपोज द हॉट प्लेस इज हैविंग द हेवी रेनफॉल ऑन द मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज, सो व्हाट वी कैन से द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट प्लेस, hot and wet. Hot, why? Because the temperature is almost hot every time, so that is why we can say that a climate is hot. And at the same place, suppose उसी same place का place पे heavy rainfall भी होता होगा, तो हम क्या कहेंगे, we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. Understood now how we can predict the climate of any place? We can predict the climate of any place according to their weather pattern. Okay, now see on page number 71, there are two tables are given, table 7.2 and 7.3. So what is given in that table? In that both the table, the climatic conditions of the two places are given. The first table is for the Jammu and Kashmir, and another table 7.3 is given for the climatic condition of Kerala. Okay, so these two places climatic condition is given in this table. If you will observe all the temperatures, so what you will observe in this from that table, the both places are very opposite to each other, means there are differences, climatic difference of both places have. क्या difference दिख रहा है आपको कि केरला कैसी है, केरला इज़ वेरी हॉट एंड वेट एज़ कम्पेयर टू जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. केरला में क्या होता है, गर्मी भी ज़्यादा रहती है एंड हेवी रेनफॉल भी रहता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. एंड जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ विच काइंड ऑफ प्लेस, इट इज़ अ कोल्ड कंडीशन प्लेस, मतलब वहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट रहता है द इट हैविंग द कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. ओके, सो वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट द climate of that places according to the weather pattern. Okay, now we will talk about the Rajasthan. Okay, you all know that Rajasthan is having which kind of climate? Rajasthan is having the high temperature during the most of the year. Okay, but मतलब अगर आप देखोगे राजस्थान के बारे में बात करेंगे तो वहाँ का टेम्परेचर कैसा रहता है, हाई रहता है. बट इफ़ यू विल ऑब्जर्व इन विंटर सीजन, सो इट हैव वेरी लो टेम्परेचर. ओके, for few months only, for the few months like 3 to 4 months of winter season, it having very low temperature. Okay, and one more thing is about the Rajasthan, that is it receives very less rainfall. वहाँ पे क्या होती है, कम बारिश होती है. So what kind of climate you can predict for the Rajasthan? You can say that the climate of Rajasthan is hot and ड्राई. ओके, हॉट इसलिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है, एंड ड्राई बिकॉज देर इज़ वेरी लेस रेनफॉल. ओके, सो वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द राजस्थान इज हॉट एंड ड्राई. Now, suppose if we are talking about the northeastern India, so that part northeastern India receives a major part of the receives the rain for the major part of the year. मतलब mostly year में ज़्यादातर वहाँ पे बारिश ही बारिश होती है. So what we can say about that the climate about that place is, we can say that the climate of the northeast India is wet because of the heavy rainfall. Understood? So if you want to talk about the climate of any place, firstly what we have to do, we have to predict, we have to observe its climatic condition for the few years of that place. Okay, after that we can say that now what is the climate of that place. Okay. Now our next topic is climate and adaptation. So we are going to start our next topic, that is climate and adaptation. Okay, till now we have studied about the weather and climate. अब हम आगे देखेंगे the climate and adaptations. Adaptations means what? Adaptations means the special features of animals or plants which helps them to survive in their particular habitat. Okay, in we have studied earlier also, means I think you have studied in last year in class 6. In class 6 you have studied about the adaptations of animals. In that what we have studied कि कुछ means all animals have their certain features which helps them to survive in their particular habitat. Okay, जैसे कि like we have studied that camel, suppose take one example is camel. Camel found in desert. Why? You know very well, desert is having which kind of climate? Very hot and dry. Okay, so camel can easily survive in desert because of that having certain features. Camels के कुछ ऐसे features होते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो क्या कर पाते हैं, easily survive कर पाते हैं desert में. Just like what, their long legs and eyelashes. Okay, means there are different and one more thing is about that they can live without water for the long time, and they have the humps and all that. So these are the features of camels which helps them to survive in the desert. Okay, similarly there are many more examples like a fish can easily survive in water, and polar region animals can survive in polar regions. Why? Because they also having the certain features. Okay, so that certain features, or you can say the special features of animals which helps them to survive in their habitat. Habitat means what? Their living place. Okay, so उस features को कहा जाता है adaptations. So now hereafter we will see the climate and their adaptations. Means किसी भी region का climate, what is the climate of that region and what the adaptations of that animals have. ठीक है, मतलब उस प्लेस का क्लाइमेट क्या है और उस प्लेस में रहने वाले एनिमल्स के क्या क्या एडेप्टेशंस है. सो एवरीथिंग वी विल सी हियर आफ्टर. ओके, सो दिस एडेप्टेशन पार्ट वी विल कंटिन्यू इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, थैंक यू.